Hey guys, welcome to Ibrahim Talk Show على MBC 1. So you can follow me on MBC Edits to recording of Double Offenders Part 5 with Cat, Yellow, Alex, and definitely Avocado Toy. Definitely. You can also follow me on my YouTube channel starting on June. For July, all videos will be public of traveling, dancing on June 28th. All to public. If the YouTube channel gets taken down, I promise next year I'll make one. This time I have no control of deleting the channel. It's YouTube who does it, not me. I'm not the one who this decision to delete all my channels. I don't make any of those decisions at all, never, because it's not my job to make decisions and do anything. So I'm not control of my channels being taken. Ibrahim's life, Ibrahim's talk show يوميا at national news KSA على MBC 1 during summer.